A highly significant element of visiting places like the Galapagos on a vessel like this is, of course, science and education. It's not enough just to visit. You need to learn something.
And then that got translated to Spanish and became Petrels, which became Baltra.
And the guests on board need to gain from the experience, and so do people ashore, local communities, researchers, scientists. So that's a very large part of what happens, and it's centered here in the Science Center on board.
Between the spines, you can see crystals.
And of course, in the activities on land.
Over time, introduced animals have affected the growth of these plants. So it was our job to actually help these plants until they get to a certain stage where they can be strong enough and grow so they can feed all the iguanas that we just saw. Humans in Galapagos, we intervene when nature needs our help, but after that, we take a back seat because the idea is that nature restores itself. Nature runs beautifully without us.
It's so important that when you visit a place like this, the Galápagos Islands, a World Heritage Site, a jewel in the global crown, that you leave with more than when you arrived. Not just with photographs and memories, but you leave with knowledge, and you feel that you've contributed something to the environment. And that's what the science and education programs that are run off these vessels do. It gives you a chance to meet local people, to understand conservation projects, and to dive a lot deeper into an environment that you already know is special, but once you leave, you realize is spectacularly unique.